The ZANU-PF government in Zimbabwe wanted President Macky Sall of Senegal to win the elections, and not the opposition leader Diomaye Faye. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Our highly placed sources within ZANU-PF confirm what we have all seen on the ground, that the ZANU-PF government has not yet congratulated the newly elected President Diomaye Faye of Senegal. In ZANU-PF, we have this strong view that the opposition in Africa is a creation of the West to undo our hard-won independence. We won't congratulate traitors, a ZANU-PF top official says. In today's news, Zimbabwe will not recognize and congratulate Diomaye Faye for winning the presidential elections in Senegal of 2024. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.